Yeah, so the first question is about publishing Facebook ads to your page. So Kathleen is asking, it looks like Meta Ads Manager has been updated and the option doesn't appear anymore. You are right. Yeah, Meta Advertising, Meta Ads Manager has changed a lot in the past 1 year or two. But then again, I recently just took a look at it, like, I'm just going to dive into it. So I look at it, it seems like it is still there, but like I say, Ads Manager, business portfolio, and everything is totally, a very dynamic thing. Like your version and my version are probably different. So what I see and what you see might be different. So I'm gonna just quickly walk through on how I find and how I publish a post to my Facebook page, as in like ad post. So we come in here, same thing, right? Just like what I did in the video itself. So first we come into all tools. You should be able to find something like page posters over here, as you can see at the bottom. Do you see that? Am I able to zoom in a little bit? Yeah, I look at the cursor, that's the page post, right? So if I go into the page post, I think, yeah, it's still very similar. But then again, I have not been posting on my Facebook page for a while. So I'm going to go to, wait 1 second. I'm going to go to my page, Tribe Up Academy. So yeah, for some reason, this looks, I don't know whether they're updating it or not, because I've got more posters over here, but they're asking us to go to Meta Business Suite, where if you go to Meta Business Suite, it takes you to the place where you manage all these posters and stuff like that, right? So over here, I'm sure that you won't be able to find your ad post anymore. Yeah, over here in the Meta Business Suite, you won't be able to see it anymore. But if you still have my version, what I did was I go into the Meta Business Suite, as in like the Business Manager over here that looks like this. And I click on this All Tools button and I go all the way to the page post. Easy, like I don't find the page post here, but it was there, all right? Page post, and I'm able to see all these things here. So publish post is now in Meta Business Suite. Scheduled post too is also now in Meta Business Suite. However, the ad posts are still here. I have not been running ads for a long time, but then again, yeah, it's been a year plus now. But yeah, this was the last ad I did. So it is still here, and yeah, it's a little bit buggy. Maybe they're not updating it anymore, and I still can actually publish this to the page. So this is what I'm seeing over here. So I essentially still have this option, but like I said, you may not have it because we may have different versions of business portfolio, which was called Business Manager, and they're merging things here and there. Yes, as you can see, they are moving the published posts and scheduled posts to Meta Business Suite now. And in Meta Business Suite, I am very sure that we do not have this ad post feature anymore. So there you go. That's all I can do for you at the moment. So yeah. So if you ask me, do we still have this? I still have this, but I'm not very sure about you. But then again, good luck finding it. But yet again, if you really want your post, even if you don't have the feature, you still want your post to appear, as in like your ad post to appear on your page. Like I said, you can always do it the other way around, as in you can post a post first, and then you can use the post to create an ad in the Ads Manager under the, like using existing post feature in the Ads Manager, which essentially you will still get the same. But the only thing is you're not able to do special so-called certain placements or formats. Like when you're creating posts on your Facebook page, you can't do carousel, right? But in your Ads Manager, you can do carousel. So if you want to publish a carousel as a post, as an ad, and publish it to the page, you no longer can do that, but you can always do it the other way around. Maybe you use a placement or a format that is supported by the page, and then you use that to run ads. I hope that makes sense, right? So yeah, but in case you need help navigating the Business Manager, Business Suite, because to be frank, some people still find the Meta Business Suite, Meta Business Portfolio, and stuff like that are really complicated. Like the other day, I just helped one of my clients Yeah, they book a 1 hour session just for me to do a Meta Business Manager or Business Suite now. Like 101, as in like how do we organize the assets? It's an agency, so they want to, like know the best way to work with the client. How do we work on the assets? How do we work with as a partner? How do we use all these features? How do we navigate things? Like even if you want to assign pixel to an ad account, that is also not as straightforward in the current business portfolio. So just in case you need help with your business portfolio, you want somebody to come in and walk through certain things with you, because that's what I do, right? Day in, day out since 2010. So if you need help, then you can always scan this QR code to book a 30 minutes. I'd say 30 minutes is good enough. But you have a lot of questions, then you go for the 60. So essentially, it's just going to be me and you over a Zoom call. We're going to look at all the challenges that you have, all the questions you have. We can even analyze your campaign, whatever you need to do regarding meta advertising. We can do it within the call, just you and me anyway. So yeah, and everything will be recorded so that you can use that as a reference moving forward. So yeah, if that's something that you're looking for, then scan this QR code, and I look forward to work with you.